Stay your Game Boy on the road and your sit all by yourself.
Excellent, excellent.
Wait, I don't expect to hear anything. It's a charger. You have charger, headphones.
No,
Then what is it?
Well, see, it's the Game Boy Advance.
What's Lady have over there?
It's a sensor.
Okay.
It's always gonna make me fall.
Make sure Spencer save your instructions for that video.
Okay. Smile what and hold up the package.
This is sensor.
No, just get by the Christmas tree.
Okay.
Some of these boxes out here. Spencer, you got
Okay.
There's Granny.
Okay. There we go.
There's Cole Master. She's in
Didn't
love.
quite get the goldfish.
Who's your lover, Cole?
Uh-oh, you broke the camera.
Don't do it, Mommy.
What?
I
Daddy hasn't opened a present in a while.
Okay.
Has Mommy opened a present?
No, I want you to open this one. It's a big one.
Mommy, I got Pop-Tart.
Lady got a Pop-Tart? Can I have one? I'm hungry. I love Pop-Tart. Give it to me. Oh, look at the cub with the bottle. Oh, here it goes.
What'd you get, Spence? Let's see. Let's see the.
She got one for her husband too, so she's trying theirs out too.
Open it. This thing?
She got one for John.
Yeah.
This thing?
No, the ready tackle.
Oh. Who gave this to me? I got it. That's for Mommy.
Well, I'll tell you something. Open
Fishing,
the-
boy. You gonna catch fish for the first time in your life?
Yeah, Mommy and Daddy.
All right.
No, careful, don't get it.
Wait, I got another present.
Oh yeah.
Big nice love. What? I got a
He knows about that one.
It's for your. Yeah, yeah, milk.
Yeah.
Show it, baby. Show it.
You got clues.
Show it, baby. Show it to the camera. What is it, man?
It's something for my SP. Think of all the clothes Mommy and Daddy.
You can put games in. Did you have SP?
Did you open something again?
I think we need another garbage bag.
Wow, you got clothes.
Let me find it later.
Clothes galore.
Mommy. I saw this before.
All right.
He actually took this out, or did he just? It's a box.
It's a box.
Oh, that means from my fishing kit.
Oh, a tackle box.
Ow. At first, it
Cool. Turn around, man. Let's take a look at it.
says my name on it.
Ooh, Spencer the Hound Dog?
Yep.
The greatest fisherman of all time?
Oh,
I got chimes.
very.
Last present. The beer. No.
What are they?
Chimes. Yes. Socks.
What's it say? Socks?
I don't have any.
Well, probably more than your bracelet.
Well, I have long ones. Oh yeah, I got.
Ooh, that's cool. That's got baseball on.
Don't you always
I
be
got
lady
that
with your
one.
bracelet? Once you start getting
Okay,
bracelets,
so
that'll be-
spirit children.
I
think I know what
you
you mean. Spirit children.
Where you gonna put those?
Okay, I need 3 more C's. All these
Da-da-da.
take 2 bags.
Spirit children. Repeat. Repeat.
Put them up on top of the TV.
Middle of the
No,
road.
let me say that for after breakfast.
What?
Please don't.
I got chimes.
I'm not
You guys
sure.
have enough stuff?
This is good. Is this your
Daddy, I got
bag?
the charms.
Is this your bag?
Charms?
Yeah, for my charm bracelet.
Let me see them. Put them on the camera. Show the camera this.
Mommy, I need like a bottle to put all my stuff.
Spencer,
Wait, Mommy. I got some charms.
Hey, all
Get
right.
open to these ones. Yeah, I'm gonna go do something. What? I know. I'm gonna go put
Oh,
them
these are
in
your
my
ones from
second
the
one.
store?
Yeah, I know. Please put this on.
Did your belt come in this?
Now
What
we
was
get a
it?
Christmas breakfast.
Did you try your belt?
Yes.
You guys got a, yeah.
Hey, what about this, Colin?
No, it's not there.
I just want to make sure
No.
it fits.
We're all cleaning up. Look at all my presents.
Got it?
I don't want to cut the box.
We'll have a video later, Spencer, of everybody can talk about their presents.
Okay.
Except
I
for
do.
me. Okay. Make some breakfast!
I found a better way how to put it. I set it down because it kept tipping over because it was so heavy. Set it down so you
I'll put it sideways. Okay. Nate, where's all your stuff?
The whole family.
Did you get some gloves?
They're the big man.
What's that stuff?
Oh, wait, I put my gloves back in the thing.
See, there it is. The camera. So
What happened to my stuff? What? Why is my stocking down?
That's what I'm asking.
Who put my stocking down? It was on top of that.
Can't go too far.
where's the battery?
Unless you plug in the
Batteries.
In the battery
extension cord.
Yeah, no.
Is this mine?
There's mommy.
You
Yeah.
gotta play me a piece.
There's Granny.
Maybe.
Nate, why are you taking all my
This
things?
isn't yours.
Yeah, I put it
Don't
over.
put it down. It was on top of my stuff.
Uh-oh.
Spencer,
I didn't do it.
your stuff's over there.
This is bad.
Is that actually real?
Yeah.
I don't want to watch tape. Who's Spencer? Is this your stuff?
No.
Can you pick it up?
Lady,
Abby,
you
come here.
didn't put them all in.
You go in your bed. Go on.
Spencer!
No, go. Nate, call Abby. What? Call Abby.
Grandpa wants to.
Her new guitar.
Hold on, I'll be right back with the screwdriver.
Then I'll teach you how to do it. Okay?
Those are those bears from the
What's that one?
polar bear.
This is just a top.
Did you get a little strap for it?
No, I didn't get one.
It's a big bottle.
Now you have to burp and
There he is playing a dinky guitar.
Just wait a minute, I'll get them in there. I gotta get this one fixed first. Go. You go take your guitar lesson.
Anybody getting hungry?
No.
No.
Now start feeding, making.
Megan, Megan?
Oh, I want one of those muffins.
Okay, Mom. Yeah, we can start with a muffin. It'll take a while to make that. You have a screwdriver?
Oh, yeah, screwdriver. Maybe
Spencer,
make,
where's yours?
make Grandpa some coffee.
There's me up on the Care Bear. Or her bear, the real bear, whatever.
Oh gosh, you ruined it.
I'm taping you in your cub. How about look at the dog.
We got the 2004 case at home.
See ya.
They were all gone.
Christmas Day and
You
it
guys shut up
didn't
and talk all the
snow.
time. No deals that I get.
I never saw those at Costco.
I was gonna get
My daddy gave me this camera.
and then I got one for myself.
That's how video.
I was gonna get a couple.
And there she is.
Can you do that whenever you want? Since
Mhm.
I take it downstairs just the
Look at it.
use it.
All this.
And they had 5 different colors.
The beautiful Christmas tree.
That's really easy to down.
Since I got your vacuum cleaner work at your house.
Look at it. It used to have 1 billion presents. And now look at all the kids' presents. Dun, dun. Oh, her monkey Care Bear. But there's one present left.
Yeah, I felt it.
How did it survive?
Pull it out.
No one knows.
Yeah, I'll put it out.
We can open it!
No, no, I'm opening my vacuum cleaner.
Come on, we want to open it.
What? No, let's wait.
I need the tape for opening
I
it.
want more of the garbage.
she's not
picked up.
opening it.
I'm not, I'm taping it.
No. Whose stocking stuff is right here? Can you lady, can you put your stocking? Ow!
There's Lady Tataty, she's Lady
Did you get
Potato.
your charms fixed, lady? You need to do that?
Woof, woof.
I bet Granny knows how to do charm bracelets. Would you like how you put some crazy?
There it is, the present that survived. Dun, dun, dun. I don't think her belly can. Mommy, I don't think the belt can go around her belly. Look how big her belly is.
That's pretty fancy.
How do you do it?
Hey, you gotta get bigger.
No, she's sucking in. Now let go, lady.
Is this your candy? It's alive!
You guys like your whiteboards?
Yeah, that's cool.
Look at it up in your room.
Ah! It peed!
Stop. The last present. Hey, lady. Lady, you want to do a magic trick?
I had to get on them.
Okay, now. Put a blanket over you, lady. Put that blanket over you. Put that blanket over you, lady. Hurry. Hurry, do it. We can do a magic trick.
They're powered.
Go in the room with Daddy and open it.
You have to go in here with
What are you
that.
trying to open?
Don't try to
Oh,
Heavy.
go in the computer room.
there they go. Wait, now you have to do it out here. It's on. Is it on? Is it? Oh, yeah. Okay, it's on. Everybody, hurry. It's the last present.
1, 2, 3. Open it! You're gonna break it. I can't even get it.
What?
I can't see it.
DVD player. DVD player.
Let off me.
Compact DVD
Let me see,
player
let me see.
for the whole family.
Ooh, dang.
Now we can play Doom Series.
You can take it probably to the car, I imagine.
Yeah.
Ew.
You said ew at yourself.
Ew, hate me. Get the wrapper and bring it, put it in the garbage. It's mine, everybody. That's you.
There it is, the present. It's a DVD thing. The kids don't have one downstairs, so it'll connect
let's go
and
play.
poof. We can probably take
Is
it
there
in
a
the car, too.
DVD in there?
And now, lady presents her magic show.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, lady, psst, get on the blanket.
Nice, Shrek 2.
Okay, now go under it. Go on the ground and under
Harry
it.
the Potter.
Go on the ground and under it. Okay, there she is. Where'd she go? Woo!
We gotta be able to plug it in.
Well, the Suburban has all those outlets.
What?
Hey,
It has all this jack.
what the heck? She's back. She's back.
Well, no, it's just the
She's
She? What? What are you doing here? Then who the heck's under there?
This really cool thing you plug into the car thing.
Oh, that's just sick. There it goes.